can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Of course, my name is Thorsten Schwarz. I'm the global head of submarine products for General Cable and in the same time managing director of NSW GmbH, which is the entity within the General Cable Group, being the global competence center for submarine cables.
And could you please give a brief description of your technology, how it works, what makes it unique, the technology you would like to describe to us?
Yeah, through its entity NSW, General Cable is a long-time experienced provider of submarine cables, traditionally starting in the telecom sector, fiber optical submarine cables, and since 3 years we have ventured into the energy cable side. So today we are providing cables and installation services for inter-array cables and export cables, and a new business segment is also coming up, the hydro generation cable products for dynamic applications.
And what are your main markets? Where do you primarily operate, and where are you looking to expand?
As General Cable, we are operating on a global scale with more than 44 factories in more than 20 countries. Also, the submarine products are sold on a global scale. When it comes to the renewable applications, those are definitely driven by Northern Europe markets, namely Germany and UK in these days, and we are preparing ourselves for the French market or the Spanish market as well.
And where do you see this technology going in the next 5 to 10 years?
If we look at the cable product, the product itself is not a real new thing. Energy cables have been produced since decades for island interconnectors. So this pure cable product itself will not vary in the near future. Where I do see a lot of activities and where we are also actively investing in R&D efforts is on the connector side, on the termination side. The term that we like to use here is plug and play, which would in its end effect save vessel time for the installation. That's one of the trends that we're trying to develop. But also in terms of capacity, currently there is an increasing demand for higher capacities on the export cable sides. With the growing size of the wind farms, you need to transmit more and more electricity, and that will also drive the product development side for larger capacities and into HVDC applications and so on.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.